Okay, now we're going to let the PCB be made. Go to the top here to this button and press it. Here you can make Gerber files. Gerber files are used for production. You can send them to any PCB producer and they will produce the PCB boards for you. The PCB boards here are $2 for a batch of 10, so I don't think you can get it cheaper anywhere else. With this button you can make Gerber files. And with this button you will go to the site, which is connected to EasyADA, to make the boards immediately. This $2 is a special offer, and when you change anything on the options here, you can see it will get, well, more expensive. So let's press this button in the corner here, and you will go to the site which is making the PCB board. It will automatically make Gerber files and upload it from your layout. You can press Gerber Viewer here at the right, and it will load an image of your board, so you can inspect it how it will look like. Well, I think it's fine like this. And it also doesn't give any significant analysis results. So let's go back to the ordering. All the options are already good like it is. Except for the PCB thickness. I want it to be 1 mm. Now you can put this in your cart. And if you go to the checkout, you can see there are some shipping costs added to it. Well, you can just choose the cheapest shipping option and order it.